Hello everyone. Sobe bhale ase. I hope all of you are doing great. You all are studying at home regularly, yes? Okay. Chalo. So in this video, I will be discussing with you the question and answer for of general science. This chapter is sound for class 8. Okay. Since the question answer number of questions are quite long, so I will be dictating you the question answers of the questions, and then you can write it down. All right. So the first question, name the unit used to measure loudness. Answer is decibel, DECIBLE. Okay. What does the frequency of a sound wave decide? Answer, the frequency of a sound wave decide pitch, PITCH. What does the loudness of a sound what decides the loudness of a sound wave? Answer is amplitude. AMPLITUDE decides the loudness of a sound wave. If three different sound waves are in simple mathematical ratio, what kind of sound will they produce? Answer, they will produce musical sound. Next, will sound waves having frequency of 144 Hz and 240 Hz produce a musical sound? Answer is no. Okay. Next question. When does the object produce sound? Answer, when an object vibrates, it produces sound. Next question. What is the frequency of a sound wave? Answer, the total number of oscillations produced in 1 second is called the frequency of a sound wave. Next, what kind of sound wave produce a pleasant sound? A sound wave produces a pleasant sound if the frequency are in the ratio 1 is to 2 is to 3. Next, what is an echo? The reflected sound which is heard after some time after being obstructed is known as an echo. How do bats fly safely in the darkness? Bats fly safely in the darkness due to echolocation. What are wind instruments? Instruments which produce sound by vibrating column of air is known as the wind instrument. What causes sound pollution? Sounds that are loud, annoying or harmful to the human ear causes sound pollution. Next question. How does sound travel? When an object vibrates, it produces sound. The vibrating object sets into vibration, the particles of air that surround it, full stop. The vibrating particles of air push the other air particles adjacent to them. This process continues and gives rise to a sound wave, full stop. Sound travels through a sound wave, or sound travels in the form of sound wave. Next question. Explain amplitude of sound with a diagram. Amplitude is the maximum distance traveled by an oscillating particle towards one side from its initial position. It could be from distance capital letter B to C, or from B to A. Now the diagram I will be showing to you, which diagram you have to put it in your copy along with this question. So you just leave some space for it. Alright. How is sound produced in humans? Human beings have an organ called larynx or voice box, which is involved in the production of sound. It is situated at the upper part of the windpipe, in the neck. Stressed across the voice box is a thin membrane called the vocal cord. When air is forced through the vocal cords, they vibrate to produce sound. Next question. Name two percussion instruments. How sound is produced in such instrument? Answer. The drum and the tabla are percussion instrument. They produce sound by vibrating the membrane with the finger or the palm. Next question. How does the ear help us to hear sounds? Sound travels from its source to our ears. Full stop. On reaching the ear, the sound wave vibrates the eardrum, the delicate membrane inside the ear. Full stop. The vibrations are picked up by special type of cells in the inner ear. These cells are attached to the nerve fibers which transmit the vibrations to the brain. Full stop. The brain processes the information and helps us to recognize the sound. Full stop. Next question. Write short notes. Number 1. Noise and musical instrument. Answer. Some sounds are disturbing in nature. Such sounds are called noise. Sounds that are loud, annoying or harmful to the human ear causes noise pollution and can affect our health. Music is a combination of sound waves in an orderly manner. Musical instruments are designed to produce pleasant sound. To produce good music, one has to learn to play a musical instrument so that sounds having particular frequencies can be produced. Number 2. Ill effects of noise. Answer. Noise pollution can affect our health and behavior. Constant exposure to noise can make a person ill-tempered and restless. So this was all about the question and answer of the sound chapter. I hope all of you have listened to my voice note clearly. So what you are supposed to do is that you use your headphones while writing the question and answers, and make sure you write all the answers in your copy correctly. Okay, and I will see you in the live class. So take care, stay safe at home, and those who have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you uh, go regularly with your studies at home. Never neglect your studies and keep yourself safe at home. Bye bye and have a nice day. Take care.